you ever felt bad after eating too much? Many people have poor digestion issues like heartburn and constipation. In today's video, you will learn how some foods can help prevent poor digestion and other digestive issues. Did you know that the digestive process starts in the mouth? We recently mentioned this fact on the channel when we talked about drinking during meals. If you have poor digestion, watch that video to learn why you shouldn't drink while you eat. When we chew food, we start the mechanical process and add the enzymes found in saliva, like salivary amylase, that break the big molecules of starch into smaller molecules, called maltose. From the mouth, the food goes through the esophagus and arrives at the stomach, where another enzyme, pepsin, breaks the proteins. Then the food goes to the intestine and suffers the actions of digestive juices produced throughout the digestive tract. This process can suffer imbalances, and that's where heartburn, gastritis, gastric ulcers, and other digestive issues show up. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. However, the solution to these issues might be in the meal itself, since some foods have digestive properties. Let's see 9 of them. Pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks and digests proteins. Plum. This fruit has laxative properties that improve intestinal transit thanks to its high levels of fiber. Olive oil. According to studies, olive oil can inhibit the excessive formation of gastric acid, which improves digestion and prevents heartburn. Teas. Some types of tea help with digestion and reduce bloating. Peppermint, rosemary, lemon balm, chamomile, sage, mint, and psyllium are the most famous digestive teas. Collard greens. It has substances that aid in the healing of the stomach mucosa, detoxifying the digestive system and calming the symptoms of indigestion. Fiber. Fiber helps increase the fecal matter, which contributes to the good functioning of the intestines. Prefer the insoluble fibers like wheat bran, whole grain cereals, fruit peels, beans, green leaves, pumpkin, and corn. Ginger. We are always talking about ginger on our channel. It helps with gastric secretion and has a natural anti-inflammatory power that improves digestion and gastritis, also improving the sensation of pain, nausea, and burning. Probiotic yogurts. These contain good bacteria that, when in contact with the intestinal mucosa, favor the proliferation of microorganisms that balance gut flora. Lemon, another favorite of our channel. It helps with digestion by stimulating the liver to produce more digestive enzymes and also improves bile action. Papaya. It has a substance called papain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and has medicinal properties. Besides eating these foods, you should also follow these important steps to help with your digestion. 1. Chew. For the food to be properly digested, it is crucial to eat calmly and chew every bite very well. 2. Rest. Avoid laying down after big meals, especially when you eat heavy foods, as it hinders the digestive process even more. If you suffer from poor digestion, try these tips and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.